All right, guys, as you can see, Fraín's 24 GT is already on jack stands, and this guy has already been, what, 2 weeks, and he already started modding it. Nothing exterior. He wanted to do a, I wouldn't say too much of a performance mod, more of a sound exhaust mod. This is the old, what is it, the resonator mid pipe, resonator mid pipe, I don't know. Well, yeah, it's a mid pipe because he switched up the mid pipe on the Mustang, and now he has an X pipe right there. I got here a little late to the party. I just hooked them up. I just helped them clamp up those clamps right there. But other than that, it's a pretty easy install. He didn't take it to a muffler shop. What'd you do? You just cut it, right? Yeah. It's a cut and clamp. So if you do have an electrical saw, you can just go ahead and cut it, clamp it, and it is good to go. Did you get any before exhaust sounds?
I have one.
Look at that. Damn, do it again. Oh. Here we go. Everything else still stock. It's just the mid pipe that got swapped up. He still has the cats and stock exhaust. Yeah, it sounds better. Sounds like deeper. It's a little louder, and yeah, it is, because now I have to speak up, and it's deeper. Approved? Approved or not? So welcome back, guys. A proper intro. I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a drive. Again, this is completely stock. It is just a mid pipe and X pipe that got added on there. What is it? What kind of pipe is it? X pipe? What brand? Roush. All right, so we got a Roush X Pipe. So if you guys are in the market for your S650, there it is. It did make a pretty different sound right there. It did get a little deeper, a little louder. It was like 200 bucks.
It was an open box. It was like 149.
Dude, for 149 bucks, can't complain. Stock cats and resonator delete right there.
Bright ass lights.
I need my seatbelt, guys. It's gonna send me flying.
Rose is gonna be like, I hurt you.
You think so? You should ask her if he was able to hear from the house.
I like it.
You like it? I think it sounds a little deeper. Like it got a little louder, but it got deeper with the X Pipe for some reason. I don't think there's performance gains right off of this.
No.
Yeah, so
I mean, it helps it breathe.
I think minimal, guys, maybe 1 or 2. Like, it's not a big difference, just because it'll allow the car to breathe better compared to that big resonator restricting the airflow a bit. But it's not gonna be anything crazy, nothing insane. You just get more miles per gallon just because of the sound, but that'll be about it. Or that too. doing it justice, guys. Hope y'all can hear it. Like 10 downshifts.
It's Fast and the Furious.
This guy downshifted like 10 times in 20 feet.
It's like down.
Gonna go ahead, guys, and end the video here. I know it was nothing crazy. It was just a simple X Pipe install. Now, if you're in the market for a Roush X Pipe, this is it right here. Nothing crazy. It didn't change the volume of the car drastically, but we feel like it did change just a little bit. Just enough to notice. And we feel, even though it's an X Pipe and usually H pipes do this, we do feel like it got a little bit of a deeper little rumble to the exhaust tone. It sounds good though. I'm not gonna lie, it still sounds good. I know he did mention maybe getting headers next, but they are pretty expensive. They do run about $3,000, so it's something that he's in the market for right now. He did mention also maybe removing the cats, but I believe tuners are not tuning cars right now for the S650s. So in order to remove the cats, you might want to tune the car just to have everything running appropriately. So that's out of the picture for right now as well. But yeah, guys, we did go the budget route. I mean, sorry, not we. Efrain did go the budget route, but you know how it's done in this channel. Everything's budget here. He did get it open box. He paid $180 instead of the $280, and everything went well. He did get it off of American Muscle, but we will provide the link anyways in the description, guys. But again, for right now, we're gonna be bringing some S650 content and the S197. We're not gonna forget about the V6 Mustang. But hey, if we got an S650 platform, we're gonna work on it. We're gonna try to get you guys videos as much as possible for you guys. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. God bless.